You can describe movement in a coordinate plane by describing how far you need to move vertically and how far you need to move horizontally to get from one point to another point. The slope of a non-vertical line is the ratio of the vertical change to the horizontal change between 2 points. You can calculate slope by finding the ratio of the difference in the y-coordinates to the difference in the x-coordinates for any 2 points on the line. Note this diagram. We have a line with 2 points identified, the point x1, y1 and the point x2, y2, and we have vertical change labeled here, so that will be the distance between y1 and y2, and then horizontal change, note that's the distance from x1 to x2. Take note, key concept, slope. The slope of a non-vertical line through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is the ratio of the vertical change to the corresponding horizontal change. Slope equals vertical change, which we can nickname rise, divided by horizontal change, which we can nickname run, so rise over run. That's equivalent to y2 minus y1, so the vertical change or change in y direction, over horizontal change x2 minus x1, change in the x direction. That's where x2 minus x1 cannot equal 0. Problem 1, finding slope. What is the slope of the line that passes through the given points? Part A, negative 3, 7, and negative 2, 4. Well, consider our slope formula. Slope, often represented with m, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this case, that's 4 minus 7 over negative 2 minus negative 3, and that's negative 3 over 1. So we can say the slope of the line that passes through negative 3, 7 and negative 2, 4 is negative 3. Part B, how about the point 3, 1 and the point negative 4, 1? What's the slope between those points? Well, again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, substituting in values from our coordinates above. 1 minus 1 over negative 4 minus 3 works out to be 0 over negative 7, and that's 0. So we can state the slope of the line that passes through 3, 1 and negative 4, 1 is 0. Finally, part C, 7, negative 3, and 7, 1. Plugging in values, that's 1 minus negative 3 and 7 minus 7, 4 over 0. And this is a special case. Division by 0 is undefined. So the slope is undefined for the line that passes through 7, negative 3, and 7, 1. Your turn. In parts A through C, what is the slope of the line that passes through the given points? And part D, a reasoning item, use the slope formula to show in part A that it does not matter which point you choose for x1, y1.